Pressure, stay fresh. We got my 0121 crew. We got the 01902 gang. At Pressure 0121 on the Twitter. Watch out for the preview mix CD. Grime is Money the mixtape. Lord of the Mics 4. Yeah. Shadow, shut down Pat, never running out of ammo. Bad to the bone, right down to the marrow. Shut down cracks if they really want a battle. Send the little waste MC to the gallows. Soldiers covered in the camo. Bombard the stage when I'm running in Brago. See me rolling with the grind squad famo. We come to shut down power. Every second of the minute, every hour. I could give you any lyric out the shower. We're in the spaceship, we got them like wow. They're in a plane that's heating to a tower. We make moves, haters are like how. Who, what, when, where, when, right now. Leave you in a shot like Rocky Balboa. This time we're going on major music, got a Mega Drive, no Sega. Don't like the place, I'm a space invader. Slice and dice up your face like Vega. Problem, you know that my squadron's major. Jedi Knight, I carry the lightsaber. Beginning of the game, remain the brain waver. Bigger than a name that claims to aim straighter. I'm Mike, I rat and a lightweighter. Reigning the game, I am the flame saver. Keep the fire burning, giving the game flavour. On the money earning, looking the main wager. Tables are turning, I used to be a raver. Roadman rolling with me with an Aina. Got one warrior princess like Zaina. Shouldn't even try to restrain the car, should be like boom. I'm a journal, I play dirty, don't play to the whistle. Talking up your bullshit's making me giggle. Some of you cats must be blazing the fiddle. Nursery rhyme songs like hey diddle diddle. You been on a big man ting your ladle. Playing this game like piggy in the middle. You might think that you're breaking the seed. You wouldn't even scratch the surface with a chisel. My team like ton and touchdown like a missile. Coming like a stray dog looking for a kennel. Looking at US like you want an echo. Go home and watch one of the visuals. Screw facing cause your girlfriend's dribble. When they see man doing it bagel. You got a problem, meet me in your vehicle. Yo, beggars, you don't rep for the scene on the regas. You man are looking for an arm and the leggers. I take pressure and I rep with my niggas. On the block I'll be out for the figures. Don't par with no one, living off the jaggers. I'm money minded, out for the cheddars. You're trying to find it, you're not go-getters. Call us the pace setters, jaggers. Pissed off cause we're going on jeggery. Looking in your hourglass and it looks empty. This is our time, how much we got? Plenty. Plenty of haters watching with MP. Ain't in our league, can't even get a friendly. We're going hard, you brothers go gently. We'll still be relevant in 2020. Yo fam, now I got the skippiest flow, the one and no man. Funny how everybody's getting with a program. Didn't wanna listen, now I'm getting a show man. Always had the vision, so I don't owe man. The levels have risen, now I'm like Gohan. Don't be trying to come around me like you're Conan. With the elites and you man are like Zohan. Think you stuck in me Rocky Balboa man. Hit you with a spaceship fist, KO man. Jet Li business, kicking and throw man. If I blow the whistle will blow man. Something like a missile, wicked explosion, spaceship mode. Yeah, we got a show plan since the Earth grew. We got the crew like World Tank. The hurt now they wanna know slang. But if somebody asks you if you stay fresh, then what do? We say, I'm a man to take the piss and say this. The promoters phone up my phone and say, sir, by Joe, I want you on my show and we should be expecting a whole heap of girls. Cash up front, alright, okay, word. Preferably I'll have my PA third. All about the money just like Las Vegas. All about the honeys, my gal, they make thirst. No strings attached, I put myself first. If the gal then wanted to choose to play us, put me on the stage and my PA works. Man, I wanna hate cause my PA hurts. Get paid double cause my PA murks. It's in the game, but Yo G, certain man are running them out like jabronis. Every 5 minutes it's like they wanna phone me. Changed up the number, gotta move low-key. Now I'm in the spotlight, man I wanna know me. Don't make me box up with you with Trelowski. Don't think you big cause you got a little goatee. Check out the status fam, Rogi, you got a problem? Okie dokie, come and book me on the jungle, no Mowgli. See me with Natty, Citrus and Dopey. Learn from my oldest, D-Man and Yogi. Take what you want car, nobody owes me. Taking on mankind, no Mick Foley. My flow so deadly, call me Voltaire. I come like a drug and I'll make you oldie. I'll kill you fast or slowly. Boom. Follow man on the Twitter, at Pressure 0121. Large up Jamal, don't know.
What's going on? This is your boy Kevin Hart. Right now you're watching SBTV, UK's leading youth entertainment station. Right now I just found out you guys getting about 6 million this month. Fuck you, Jamal Edwards. Famous.